Your door is lock is completely broke. I need to open that. 89 is the cost for open. After we see the parts, it's extra cost. But first I need to open the.
Okay. Open कसं करतात बघू.
Okay.
Because it's
What number is it? Oh.
प्लेट होती ना ती. तो ओपन करून सोडायचं त्याला.
My God.
प्रॉपर प्लेटचाच इश्यू आहे. हा आणि मग तो टर्न आहे.
आपण जरा चुकीच्या पद्धतीने करत होतो.
तेव्हा कसं त्याने घेतलंय.
Okay. There's a rod in there.
yes. Somebody is inside?
No.
No.
Turn on the light.
Yes, there's the light.
Thanks so much.
But we don't know how it got latched.
I see the problem.
Okay, what's the problem?
How it happened?
Yeah, because it just latched and then
I know.
it wasn't
This
working.
is very short and this move from this.
Oh, that part.
Yes, this part was a move too much inside. And when you press here, this doesn't working because
Yeah, it
was
too
like
much
that.
inside.
Yes,
Okay.
was too much inside. You see.
Okay, yeah.
I will change that
How much?
after you use the bathroom without problem.
Okay.
I have another one with me here.
Oh, perfect. So how much will it?
In total, will
Yes.
be about 125.
125 complete, right?
Complete. Yes.
Yeah. Start
Fix
with-
it. Fix it. This.
Yes.
Open the door. 125.
Okay.
You pay cash or card, and
Mm.
I give you pay by card or cash. It's up to you.
Okay.
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 Mostly we don't have cash, so.
No problem. You pay by card. I give the receipt.
Yes.
1 second. Second. I'll fix that here first. After the spindle will be safe. 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, like that.
Mierda. Are we?
You see now? This is here. It's strong.
Okay.
I put another one here. Because you need a bathroom here, of course.
Yeah.
You see? Now
So
it's
how it has happened?
happened because the screw was loose. Every day you use this one. Move the
Oh,
spindle.
that screw was
yes,
loose.
exactly, yes. And both was loose.
Both of them.
Yes.
So that's the only reason.
Yes.
आपल्या चुकी की त्यांची चुकी?
And the spindle
No,
move
that's
little
okay.
bit inside. After this, don't touch the.
Okay, so it wasn't someone's fault.
No, this is happen all the time when the screw is loose.
Yeah. We were thinking that somebody pushed it on purpose. Somebody hit the door on purpose.
No, every day you use the
Yeah,
door.
I know,
This
I know.
move.
Yeah, I got it.
Now you are safe. You use the bathroom.
How can
Everything.
you open this? The one?
That's my job.
Okay.
My secret.
Secret.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Ablon key.
You see, this is same. It's very
Yeah, it's loose.
Yeah.
It came out of like a flash part of the handle.
Yeah. 1 second, I'll check here because it's too much inside, and I think this will be.
याची रिसर्च पाठवूया आपण तिला इनेला.
Yeah. इंडसला सगळं होणार.
माझं चोरीने.
ती काय नुसती रिसेप्शनला काम करते.
अरे प्रॉपर्टी
पाप
मॅनेजर.
बिचारी.
प्रॉपर्टी मध्ये मला वाटलं तू रिसेप्शन वाल्याची बोलतो तेवढ्यात.
मॅनेजर जर तिला मिनिंग माहिती आहे का? ती गाण मारेल मी मॅनेजर बोलली तर स्वतःला ती.
नाही मला वाटलं रिसेप्शनचे असतं ना ते मेल हँडल करत असते.
नाही नाही नाही.
One second, I'll take out this.
Yes, these are also loose.
I think it's very same. See, very short.
Very short.
And
needs
in
to
this
be?
case, this move, look, inside more.
Yeah, so this
From
will
the
get locked.
people from inside can't open the door.
So it needs to be out.
Yeah, I'll
It needs
put
to be
out.
equal place.
Proper.
Yeah.
It needs to be
Okay.
like that, but it's
Okay.
This
has
is
to.
fine.
It went inside.
Yes, I'll.
Is
I'll
there
fix-
a way that we could keep this lock like this?
No, we'll be okay. Just a second.
We were thinking of putting some cello tapes and just
No.
restricting the
Now,
lock.
now this is fixed. You see.
Okay, okay.
You see.
So it was
now because I fix
It was
one
loose.
time here. I'll
Mm.
fix and I'll fix another time here.
Okay.
And after you are safe.
Oh yeah, I got it. Like once you tried it,
Yes.
you realized it
Yes.
was untied.
Yes.
हा निरंजन
काय बोललो?
आतला दरवाजा मी तर लॉक करणारच नाही झालं.
अरे
फक्त